Hi everybody, good morning. Guess what we're going to prepare today? Something that we wake up to is have a lovely cup of coffee, and that too filter coffee, and coffee with the two brothers. Yes, Ajinkya and Satyajit, come on.
Hi, Tai.
Yes, hi.
Hello, good morning.
Bhaiya, how are you?
Good.
Let's have coffee today, yeah?
A lot of stuff here today.
Yes.
It's smelling all coffee.
Lovely.
Amazing.
Yes, Ajinkya, what you do now first, take the sugar, the mishri, khadi shakkar, and
Okay.
pound it in this pounder, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, like this way, okay? And Bhaiya, what you do, you heat the water first.
Sure thing, Tai.
Yeah,
So this is, what you're making is filter coffee?
filter coffee. This is,
Wow.
you know how it's done? You heat the water and this is the little filter. It is magic.
It's amazing.
Yes. Let the water heat till then. Yeah, take
This is
this
what, khadi
and take some few spoons of coffee in this and just put it in this. And this is dhage wali mishri, that is khadi shakkar, and it's going to taste amazing with this. Yeah.
So this is smelling amazing,
Lovely
right?
aroma.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm going to enjoy the coffee today.
Yes.
Oh,
Lovely dark coffee it is, huh?
Yeah.
Mast hai. Wow.
I rarely make filter coffee, but this is kind of inspiring me to make and have some nice filter coffee.
Yes.
That's
That's
enough?
enough.
Yeah, one last
Enough for
spoon.
three of us, and anyone else would love to have coffee with us. Yeah, so I put the filter here till then the water is boiling.
Yep.
It's hot, yeah. I'll just pour it.
It's so intriguing and it's so amazing
Yeah.
to see how this is being made. It's an art, I think,
Yes.
more than just a drink.
And
It's lovely.
just let's chat for at least 5 minutes.
Sure thing.
Yes, and then our coffee will be ready. Till then, we'll boil the milk also. Yes, Ajinkya,
Grind the
let's
sugar.
see it. Little bit.
That's khadi
Wow.
shakkar.
Yeah.
Wow. Coffee with some unrefined khadi shakkar
Yeah,
sounds
add
like
this. Add this
Yeah.
milk. Be careful, huh? I'm going to teach you all how to make the coffee today.
Thank you, Tai. It'll help us stay awake
Yes.
on the farm.
Come. Let it boil now. Yeah.
So it has a custom roast. It's amazing. Wow. There's a
Yes.
story to this, which we'll tell you all in detail. Hi guys. Morning. We're out here to share with you an amazing new product that we're launching. It has an amazing, exciting story to it. And this is coffee. Coffee which comes in 3 variants which we're going to start selling.
Correct. So this coffee is from the native Araku Valley. It is single origin. It has 3 variants. One is a mocha pot, the other is the filter coffee, and the last one is the instant coffee.
So this coffee is not only a coffee, it has a very interesting story behind it. It all started a year and a half back with Ram from Native Araku calling us, and he had synced with us, he had been following us, the work that we were doing, and told us whether we could come over and help him kind of get this amazing product out to the market. And that got us excited. It got us excited because it meant working with tribal farmers in the Eastern Ghats, that's below Orissa and comes in Andhra Pradesh, above Vizag, 150 kilometers. So we went out there, we spent a week with him, right from the cherry stage to the self stage. We observed all the practices that go into making this amazing coffee. And this coffee is the Arabica coffee. It's a very premium coffee that grows on the higher altitudes, I think between 1400 feet and above sea level. And it's mainly sold in Europe and many places. Connoisseurs in India don't get access to this amazing coffee. That got us excited because we'll be working directly with the soil, the farmers, the tribal people out there, and helping them to keep all these plantations organic and true to their origin. These coffee plantations are as old as 120 years old because the British planted them out there, and they grow in a kind of a food forest with pepper and other spices that grow naturally in that area. So guys, we are more than excited to share this product with you, and happy to tell you that this is completely kind of overlooked by two brothers, quality team, and from the soil stage, we are in touch with every aspect of what happens. And a lot of the buck that you give to buy this coffee goes directly to the farmer. And along with Native Araku, we are happy to present to you all these three variants and happy to share it with you all.
Yes, now we are ready with the decoction and we'll prepare the coffee. Okay, come. Ajinkya, add the mishri.
I'll put some mishri.
Yes. Yeah, one. And you add the decoction.
The decoction is ready. Wow, it smells amazing. This is a custom roast, so
What?
it's just amazing.
It's really good. Wait.
So I'll add the decoction to the. How much of it?
Yeah,
much?
bus. Yeah, it's nice and strong, no? So
You
that
wanna
is
have the
enough.
milk?
1/4. Yeah. Now I'll sieve the milk.
Wow, it's
It's smelling.
It's looking fabulous.
Aroma. Take the spoon.
No, I'll.
I'll add a little bit more decoction.
Okay. Yeah, and this. You want a strong one, I think so.
Yeah.
Bas. Nice and strong.
Get the coffee hit.
Wow.
See, lovely.
I'll take the first.
Oh, who's going to have the first sip? Let's see. We'll do a toss. Lovely, huh? Both of you all half. Yeah, have it. Very good.
It's amazing.
Lovely.
Very
huh?
nice.
Yeah? Mast tasty. Chalo, let's prepare the coffee. Yes, and special people, that is the staff members. Oh, and let's see how they react.
लय भारी
लय छान आहे कॉफी.
युआर कॉफी वंडरफुल मस्त झाली कॉफी लय सुंदर झाली
कॉफी एकच नंबर झालेली आहे.
So this is instant coffee.
This is a mocha pot,
This is filter coffee.
and all these three variants are available on our website. So
Shop now.